Hey there, it's Mr. Tosh over at Global, and we are going to do broadcast scenes for this lesson. It's going to take you a couple of work sessions to get it done. What you're going to do is you're going to do a three-scene broadcast. This opening scene takes place with the kitty on a beach. Click the green flag to get started, and the cat says hello, and he says, I'm going to tell you about a summer, or she spent some of the time hanging out at the beach. And then the cat meets a friend, AZ, for basketball, thinks about dunking on the friend, and says, "Yeah, I'm going to dunk on him," and dunks. And of course, AZ feels all dejected, and the cat walks away with some attitude, which gets him a date, or her a date. Meets the crab. The crab, of course, realizes that it's on a date with a cat, and cats eat seafood. So as soon as the cat offers a snack, the crab is wondering whether the kitty is being nice or trying to fatten the crab up for dinner. And that is the three-scene broadcast that we've created here. And to do this, what you're going to do, let me get you out of this and show you my stage. There's a fair amount of coding I had to do in here. I had to chart it out. If you notice, I have three different scenes. So what happens is when the kitty starts on the green button here, see it runs all of this over here. Then I also, at the end of it, I broadcast a basketball scene. And then at this basketball scene I put in here, and then I created something called the date scene. And the date scene is here. Now, how do you create a new scene? Well, you create a new scene by pulling out one of these event handlers and choosing new message. And then you call the new scene. And now what it's waiting for is for you to broadcast a new scene. So as soon as I create a new scene, I could actually tell it to broadcast new scene. You follow? I could actually change my message. So these are variables that allow you to add scenes to your broadcast. You could do 3, 4, 5 scenes and have it go on and on and on as you broadcast. The other thing to notice is you're going to have to program for each of your sprites. I had to program the basketball separately to bounce away. I also had to program my backdrops. Backdrops program like sprites. So I had to program so when the green flag is clicked, switch backdrop to Beach Malibu. You'll notice that I have 3 choices: Beach Malibu, basketball court, and the movie's inside. My backdrop choices are right here: Beach Malibu, and basketball court, and movies inside. I went ahead and changed them. This comes default with what we're offering you today. So we're going to do that now. I'm going to put this broadcast solution up on the website, and I wish you guys some luck. Enjoy programming. 3 broadcast scenes.